Most users are searching for a universal AI, one tool that can handle every task perfectly. The truth is, that perfect universal tool does not exist. To dozens of brand names, the industry actually functions across 4 categories. They are text, image, video, and audio. Organizing this chaos into these specific categories ends analysis paralysis. It turns a confusing market into a set of actionable choices. This chart maps AI's trade-off: learning time versus workflow impact. Bottom left tools require no training for immediate results, offering little detail control. Top right tools demand technical precision, but produce highly customized, professional-grade results. Matching your technical tolerance to the specific output quality you need is the first step in selecting a stack. Image AI provides the clearest look at how this trade-off functions. It is the category where users most frequently struggle with the balance of ease and precision. Looking at this matrix of the 3 major image models, DALL-E represents the low-effort path. It uses simple prompts to generate literal interpretations. The downside is a distinct, glossy texture that makes it recognizable as AI art. Midjourney requires more effort, navigating specific prompt syntax for professional-grade, high-concept imagery. Stable Diffusion is open-source software running on your hardware, demanding technical expertise but allowing total control over generation. This platform breaks easily and demands a significant time investment. For most casual users, the technical overhead makes it an inefficient choice for quick tasks. Professional results in visual AI require a payment of either money for a Midjourney subscription or time for Stable Diffusion's technical troubleshooting. Text AI serves as the reasoning engine for the entire stack. These large language models, or LLMs, possess different functional profiles depending on your business requirements. This text matrix identifies ChatGPT as the generalist, optimized for high-speed drafting and coding from simple instructions. But without rigorous steering, its writing often defaults to recognizable, robotic-sounding prose. Claude is designed for high-capacity analysis. Users upload massive documents to receive secure insights sticking closely to provided data. However, Claude's strict safety protocols can occasionally block creative requests. Gemini is built for the Google ecosystem, living inside Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. That convenience has a trade-off. When handling complex reasoning, Gemini can sometimes lag behind the others. Choosing an LLM depends on whether your day requires rapid brainstorming, secure document analysis, or an assistant integrated into your existing workspace. Video and audio AI represent the edge of this frontier. These are the categories where technical limitations and friction are currently at their highest. Tools like Sora and Runway can generate cinematic B-roll or edit video scenes from text descriptions in minutes. These systems require significant computing power and often struggle with temporal consistency, the ability to keep characters or objects looking identical across different shots. Audio AI, including ElevenLabs and Suno, can clone human voices or generate full music tracks from a simple mood description. While these tools democratize creation, they introduce ethical and copyright hurdles. For professional commercial use, the legal ambiguity remains a significant risk. Video and audio models produce the most viral content, but integrating them into a daily workflow requires a high tolerance for slow iterations and legal uncertainty. Effective AI use starts with choosing a starter stack based on your professional identity. Look at this diagram to see where you fit. The time-poor generalist needs quick emails, basic research, and simple graphics without any learning curve. If this is you, stick to ChatGPT. It includes DALL-E for images and handles the vast majority of general tasks in a single interface. The professional optimizer requires nuanced writing, heavy document analysis, and professional-grade concept art for their business. This requires a specialized stack. Use Claude for text and analysis and Midjourney for imagery, accepting that mastering their unique interfaces is the price for higher quality output. The Google ecosystem user spends their entire professional day inside Google Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. For you, Gemini is the logical choice. The workflow efficiency of having AI inside your existing files outweighs minor differences in raw reasoning power. Mastering the specific limitations of your chosen stack provides more leverage than chasing every new app that trends on social media. AI tools will continue to update and change names. However, using this framework to match your required output to your tolerance for friction provides a reliable way to navigate the market.